Hey guys, this is my 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. The reason for making this video is I've been having a clicking sound when I get ready to go to work in the morning, and I've been told by many people it's an exhaust leak, it's a manifold leak. I just want to get some expert opinions on YouTube and see what you guys thought about it. I have the dual exhaust and it sounds really good, but in the mornings when I first crank it on, it sounds like a click, 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 and then after about 15 minutes of being on the road, it goes away. So what I'm going to do was turn it on and let you all hear it and tell me what you think. I'm sure you can probably hear the clicking sound, and to be perfectly honest, it sounds like it's coming from the manifold. The noise seems to be located right behind the front left tire. I'm not real sure what I can do with it. Some mechanics are afraid to touch the manifold because the head on these vehicles are aluminum, and they said if they crack the head that it's more of a problem than what's worth at this point, so I can understand that. But I was just wondering if I could get some opinions on what you all thought I could do to maybe get rid of this problem. Like I said, it's nothing major that keeps me from driving the vehicle. It's just after putting so much money into it, it's kind of annoying to listen to. But guys, thanks for your time, thanks for the comments, and I appreciate it. Later.